In this video, I will guide you how to insert college logo in MS Word. So first you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and then click on the pictures. Then click on this device and find the logo where you place at your desktop. I have placed it at my desktop. Then select it and click insert. And here you can see that college logo is inserted in MS Word. You can resize it from dragging this point. You can also rotate this as per your need. However, when I try to move the logo anywhere on the page, it is not moving. So how you can move this? You need to click on this layout option and click this square option. Now you can move this logo anywhere on the Word document. So in this way you can easily insert college logo in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.